Ready to supercharge your Solana trading with automated strategies? In this lightning-fast tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how to connect your Phantom wallet to Autosnipe.ai so you can start leveraging powerful trading bots on Solana decentralized exchanges. First, make sure you have the Phantom wallet extension installed and that you have some Sol in your wallet to cover gas fees and any initial trades you want to execute through Autosnipe.ai. Next, head over to Autosnipe.ai and locate the Connect Wallet button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click it. A Phantom wallet pop-up will appear, asking you to grant Autosnipe.ai permission to connect. Review the permissions carefully. Autosnipe only needs access to view your public key and request transactions. This allows it to execute trades on your behalf when your trading strategy signals it to do so. Once you're comfortable with the permissions, click the Connect button in the Phantom wallet. Be cautious of requests asking for excessive permissions, as that could be a red flag. You should now see your Phantom wallet address displayed on the Autosnipe.ai dashboard. Confirming that the connection is successful, you may be prompted to generate a unique API key. This key allows Autosnipe.ai to securely interact with your wallet. Treat your API key like a password and never share it with anyone. Finally, familiarize yourself with Autosnipe.ai security settings. Enable two-factor authentication if available and regularly review your connected wallets and API key permissions. That's it. You're now ready to start building and deploying your automated Solana trading strategies with Autosnipe.ai and your Phantom wallet. Happy trading!